Hey guys, I'm Sam, and today we're gonna do some cooking inspired by the Mysticons. It's a Mysticons grilled cheese with 4 different colors of cheese.
We have a dinner razzle with the royal family tonight. Wouldn't want to spoil our appetite.
Okay guys, so to get the color that we want in the cheese, we have to use 4 different colors. We want to use yellow, blue, pink, and green food coloring. We're gonna start with putting around 4 to 5 drops of food coloring into each one. Mix them around to make sure that all the cheese gets colored. Add more food coloring if you need to.
Spectacular!
Okay guys, so our next step is to butter the bread. Grab a slice, flip it over. Make sure it's evenly spread. Take more butter if you need. Now let's do the colored cheese. We're gonna do stripes diagonally. Yellow for Piper, blue for Zarya, pink for M, and green for Arcana.
Now I'm really freaked out.
I know it looks kind of weird, but it's gonna taste just like a regular grilled cheese. And now you gotta put the other piece of buttered bread right on top. All right, let's take this thing to the pan. Let it cook for a couple minutes on each side until you get that golden brown bread. That's how you know it's perfect. Okay, now flip it, just like that. If you hear it sizzling, that means it's doing its thing. It's gonna taste awesome.
Hey, that vase ruined my sandwich.
So there you have it guys, it's your Mysticons grilled cheese sandwich. If you're feeling inspired, go ahead and make one and share it with us with the hashtag Mysticons.